Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using Microsoft Word. It is free and available worldwide, a perfect side hustle to earn passive income while working at home. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video and never miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. To begin, go to hiresign.com, a freelancing platform where you can locate online jobs in a number of disciplines that you may work from home or from anywhere in the globe and earn a lot of money. Later, I'll demonstrate how Microsoft Word may assist us in our money-making endeavors. On their homepage, HireSign now offers online work from home opportunities. This is a completely free service that is accessible from anywhere in the world and takes a variety of payment methods. As you can see, there are a variety of online jobs where you may make a lot of money. The following jobs are examples of different jobs that you can undertake even if you have no prior experience in. But to save you time looking for alternative careers, I'll show you in this video what best job or approach for making money online is right now. Let's have a look at the proofreading options available for this position. You won't need to be fluent in English or have any prior knowledge to look into grammatical issues and the spelling of particular novels or the like. In a moment, I'll show you an example of the assignment I mentioned earlier. As you can see, they pay per page, so the more pages you have, the more money you'll make. The best part is that you can repeat it till you swear you'll never do it again. So go ahead and click this link to be taken to this website. To be clear, no prior experience is required to do this work. I'll just provide you free apps or websites to perform all of the work for you, which is why you'll need to watch the entire video to learn the shortcut. This is an excellent opportunity for beginners and you will have complete control over your schedule. Allow me to guide you through the steps of getting a free account. Because the sign-up process is a little complicated, you should carefully follow all the steps shown in this video to ensure that your account is properly set up and that you do not make any mistakes. Now go down to the bottom of the website and click on Apply to be an online proofreader, which will take you to a page that explains how to apply for a job as a proofreader. You'll see the enrollment procedures, and all you have to do now is submit your job application. You'll be brought to the form submission rules page after clicking that, where you can scroll down and apply right away. After clicking that, you'll be taken to a page where you can fill out an online application form. If not, simply rewatch the video to make sure we're on the same page when it comes to filling out the application form. As I fill in the required information, start with the login, email, age, password, and gender. Please follow along. Now in these areas, you must follow my instructions, beginning by picking your notice period from the drop-down menu and then clicking on Immediately. This will give the impression to individuals reviewing your application that you're ready to start working right immediately. And if you choose this option, you'll be accepted within 24 hours of submitting it. Which position do you wish to choose on the proofreading job is the next question. For the country choice, simply select your own country. Choose freelancer for our current employment situation. This is crucial because it boosts our chances of acquiring job opportunities. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Because I'm in a nice mood today, I'll give you another additional tip. I'll give you some guidelines for writing this part. This is the most crucial aspect of the application. Therefore, let's do everything we can to get on this website and start making money. This is important since you will be marketing yourself in this part in order for them to immediately approve you. The message's tone should be solemn and direct, saying why you want the position and that you are ready to begin working right away. This comment will reassure the client that you are capable of accomplishing the responsibilities you have been allocated. I'm always ready for the assignment that has been assigned to me. You can say at the end of the short message, and you can rest assured that I will be able to supply the outputs on time. Once you've finished everything, simply click this register button. I guarantee you'll be accepted within 24 hours of submitting your application. Let's pretend you've landed a job as a proofreader. You'll get a lot of files with grammatical problems and misspelled words. If we use Microsoft Word, it will automatically detect these issues and suggest solutions. As you can see, there are lines beneath the words. Microsoft Word has detected these terms as having a problem. If you see a line, click on it and then on the proposed words or terms for it, and then repeat the process for all the words, phrases, or even sentences that have these lines. Is it still true that you're standing there? If you are, here is an additional tip. If you want it to be easier, don't worry. Simply search for Reverso Speller on google.com. Following that, it will direct you to reverso.net, which you should visit. Simply copy and paste all of the words from your file into this Reverso box. Select US and UK on the Accept Spelling choice, and then click the blue button to process the file. This is why I emphasize that proofreading does not require fluency in the English language. This is the only platform you'll need. Allow me to demonstrate how to actually do it. Return to the file and, for example, copy this portion and paste it into the reverso.net box. Now, click this button to have them check your file for issues, and if there are any, they'll fix it for you with a single mouse click. The nicest part, by the way, is that you can repeat this procedure as many times as you want. To summarize, all you have to do is sign up at hiresign.com, be accepted, download the files, and then double-click spelling using reverso.net or Microsoft Word. It doesn't get any easier than that. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online using Microsoft. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.